It might be 80 degrees outside. However, I just picked up a pair of winter boots. These Prada shoes come in this dark navy blue textured shoebox. And these aren't just any boots, these are puffer boots, which I thought were super cool. So these are just kind of like a puffer jacket. I don't know what the fill is, however, the nylon used is made from recycled materials. There's also an adjustable elastic cord around the ankle, which helps the boot stay on. So you can't see it from the exterior, but on the inside of the boot, there's this little portion that is reinforced to help the boot keep its shape, but also keeps your foot in place. There's a subtle logo up top. If we flip these guys over, this is what the tread looks like. These just remind me of Uggs, just the puffer version, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the two boots. The soles of the Prada boots are made out of leather.